Hi, I'm Rusi with Ninja Green in Los Angeles, and I'm going to show you how to repair a broken sprinkler riser. The riser is the part of the tubing that comes up from the irrigation supply line. This would be underground. The irrigation supply line comes here, you'll have an elbow, sometimes it's a T-junction if it continues on to another sprinkler head, and you have a riser, which is the section that comes up, rises up from the line to supply the water to your sprinkler head. Once in a while, you can, if you run over a sprinkler head with your lawnmower or if you step on it or kick it, they can snap off. And in this case, we have a sprinkler head that has broken off at the top of the riser. If you discover that you have this kind of riser, which is an adjustable, it's got thread all the way down, the very simplest repair can often be just to get in, take out the part that is stuck inside the sprinkler head, assuming the sprinkler head is still intact, and just take that out and reattach it right back to the remaining component. You may sometimes have to use a hacksaw or pipe cutters to trim the top to make sure it's level and make sure it's nice and clean, and you just put the old sprinkler head and you can screw it right back in. Sometimes, on the other hand, you may have sections, the risers may not be threaded all the way down, in which case the simple thing is if the riser's broken and you can take it out of the sprinkler head and you can get it out of the